If you've been trying to make money online, you've probably been told to hustle harder, post more, sleep less, and grind your way to freedom. But deep down, you know that's not freedom. That's just another job that collapses the moment you stop showing up. If you're stuck in a 9 to 5 and you want out, you already know you're trading time for income. But what if you could build something that earns while you sleep? Something that keeps working even when you don't? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-part income system that replaces effort with leverage. So your work keeps paying you even when you're off the clock. So most people trying to build income online, they're not lazy, they're just stuck in chaos. They're jumping from one tactic to the next, posting nonstop, testing new tools, chasing trends, and nothing ever compounds. So every week feels like you're starting from zero. And that's the problem. It's not the effort, but it's the reset. The effort never stacks. And what I'm about to lay out for you, it's a different system designed to compound your time. One part attracts the right people automatically. Another part locks in predictable income so that your momentum never dies. And the last part multiplies your effort and results without adding more work hours. And once these parts connect, you stop depending on time and your work starts paying you back. So the first part of this system is YouTube, and here's why. Short form platforms reward speed. You post, you get a burst of attention, and then that content vanishes in the feed. YouTube is the opposite. It compounds. Every video you upload becomes a searchable asset that works for you 24/7. A single well-made video can bring people to you for months or even years without another ounce of effort. That's why it's the foundation, because if you want leverage, you need traffic that lasts. And most creators miss this. They chase virality, short spikes that feel good but disappear overnight. Those spikes don't pay the bills unless they lead somewhere. What actually works is problem-solving content, videos that answer the exact questions your audience is already searching for. So each video builds trust and authority and discovery, and each one sends people deeper into your world. You don't need to upload every day, you just need a rhythm that you can keep up with. Maybe that's one video a week, working an hour at night after work, scripting on Monday, recording on Tuesday, editing on Saturday. Each upload is another line in the water and another chance to be discovered. And over time, that library of videos compounds to unstoppable traffic. And once your content starts working for you, it's time to build something that can catch and convert that traffic. The second part of this system is the Skool platform. It's the platform that turns your traffic into recurring income. And here's the reality. Most people trying to build an online business get buried under tools. You got one tool for payments, one tool for courses, another for email, and another for a community. Before you know it, you're managing 10 different logins, making Zapier connections, and wondering why it feels like a full-time job again. And Skool fixes that. It brings your entire business under one roof. Courses, communities, calls, payments, even your affiliate program, all in one place. The simplicity creates leverage. When your audience learns, engages, and buys inside of the same ecosystem, your business compounds without the chaos. So here's an example of how your stack can look inside a Skool. Most people start with a free community, and that builds trust and delivers value. Then you can spin up a low-ticket group that consists of extra support and accountability. You can also do a one-time focused course for those who want specific results. And Skool also makes it super easy to do a premium tier for people who want more speed, more access, and more hands-on help. And the goal is to create a mix of products and offers that meet people where they are and gives them a path to grow with you. And because everything is in one ecosystem, your recurring revenue becomes predictable and your base grows every month instead of resetting at zero. And once your community is running, the next challenge is staying consistent without burning out. And that's where the third part comes in. Your 24-hour AI assistant. That's the secret weapon that keeps everything running when you get busy or overwhelmed. Most people quit because consistency takes too much time. You're writing, you're editing, posting, replying. It's a grind. And when life gets busy, your momentum dies. Your AI assistant changes that. It takes the heavy lifting off of your plate so you can stay consistent without burning out. Here's how that fits in. For YouTube, it helps you research topics, outline scripts, and write titles that actually get clicked. Inside Skool, it can help you draft posts, create summaries, and even help you reply faster, so you stay visible without living online. And you should also use AI for content repurposing, so it can turn a single video into shorts, quotes, newsletters, carousels, all in a couple minutes. So you think of it as your creative partner. It handles the repetition so you can focus on ideas and strategy. The goal isn't to replace you, it's to free you. So 1 hour of your effort now can fuel a week's worth of content. And the system keeps moving even when you don't. And when all those three parts come together, YouTube for traffic, Skool for delivery, and your AI assistant for scale, you stop trading your time for money, and you've built a system that earns while you sleep. So again, YouTube compounds your traffic, Skool converts that traffic into recurring income, and your AI handles the workload that used to burn you out. That's the power of leverage, effort that keeps paying you long after you've put it in. So if you want to build your own version of this, subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more on this concept. And if you're ready to go deeper, just join us inside my free Skool group where I show the exact templates, prompts, and workflows that make this system real. Remember, every video you post, every member you help, every process you automate, it all stacks. So keep building and the leverage takes care of the rest.